Welcome to the Trading Talents channel. My name is Tate. You clicked on the video, you know what's about to happen, how to use VWAP. First and foremost, it works. As you see, a lot of green here on the screen. In the month of May, I was able to make over $500. What is VWAP? Real quick, volume weighted average price continuously throughout the trading session, starting at whatever point you anchor it at. And as you can see here is an equation. Luckily, it's 2026 and technology is doing it all for us in real time. So what it tells you, who's in control? Are buyers in control? We're above VWAP. Are sellers in control? We're below VWAP. As simple as it sounds, as a trader, your job is to just be on the right side of the market. Types of VWAPs. We got the all-time high VWAP, start a year VWAP, and I'm going to show you what they look like in real time on this chart. So today is May 29th, and we were actually able to make an all-time high on the stock market today. So that would be an all-time high VWAP right there. This one starting at 9:30 a.m. is going to be a New York session VWAP, and then you can anchor it to the low of day if you would like. As you can see, wherever you anchor it, if you're buying above it, buyers are in control from that point. If you're buying below it, sellers are in control from whatever point you anchored it right here. Now we're going to go into some replays for you, but first and foremost, this happens multiple times a day. As you can see here, this is the data from the month of May, and I couldn't even fit it all onto the screen. So data is great, like we mentioned, but I want you to see it in real time in replay mode. So we're going to take this anchor to the 9:30 a.m. start, anchor it right there to that candle. That'll be the New York session VWAP. And we play it out here. This is where we would enter. Price comes above it, buyers are in control. We want to be going in route of the market. As you can see here, comes back, retest, but fails to make a lower low, so we're still in the trade. No reason for us to get out of this. Comes back above VWAP, giving us more confidence, and boom, there is the profit that you've all been waiting for. Even goes up way higher than that. And another example right here, we can just do the same thing again. Like you saw, it happens every single day. This is May 27th. We're anchoring a VWAP to the New York session, and we're just letting it play out. As you can see, coming up right here, price comes back up to the VWAP, touches it, bounces back below, sellers in control. That's where we want to be. Boom. You can take profit right there at the previous structure and the low of day. Just going back to slides here. Obviously, you saw the replays, and I'm sure you get the point, but just for fun, I want to show you some more proof that it actually works. So this would be a New York bounce, and we got a little touch of VWAP here. Boom, up to the high of day. Just a simple bounce play. This is a high of day. Anchor it to the high of day, gets above it, buyers back in control, tells us to go long, taking our profit. Finally, a retest where price comes up, retest the New York VWAP right here, fails to break above it. Okay, we need to be below it. Boom, down into profit. Simple as that. And finally, we have a little mid-range trade here. Price trying to figure out which way to go. Strong close above it. You're in the right direction. Going up to pre-market highs or whatever level you want to trade into. But yeah, so seriously, this stuff works. You should try it out. And this is going to show you how to add the VWAP to your trading view. So we're simply going to go back to trading view. You can just remove all this stuff. Click on the indicators and just type in VWAP, volume weighted average price. And it should come up on your screen just like this here. For this example, I do not use the bands, so you're going to click on the settings and you're just going to go right here to the bands multiplier number 1 and off it, off the band. And like I said, I don't use the bands personally, but I know a guy who uses the standard deviation bands. His name is Chris Drysdale. If you want, I'm going to link his information in this video. You can reach out to him. You can check out his channels. All of that will get you information on the bands if you want that. And also, while we're in the settings, our source, we're going to change this to open high low close divided by 4. There will be another video coming on why we use that here in the future. And as you can see here, I also have ASFX VWAPs automatically applied. If we just click on this, it'll put the opening ranges for you, overnight VWAPs, all of that into your TradingView chart automatically, so you don't have to anchor them. And I will also be linking ASFX's channel in this YouTube video as well. So, and then like we showed earlier, you can anchor in any spot you want. Just come over here to the forecasting and measurement tools, click on anchored VWAP, and you can anchor it wherever you want. 9:30 a.m. is definitely the place that you want to keep an eye on for the VWAP. So back to the slides. Playbook. So we have a VWAP Bounce, a VWAP Retest, high of day VWAP Break, and a mid-range, which you all saw in replay mode and through the markups. There will be a separate video coming on exactly how to analyze and take these trades in real time. And finally, I'll be trading live. So if you subscribe to the channel, you know where to find me. I would love to have more conversations in depth with you about VWAP trading or just trading in general. So I'm live streaming Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 11. Would love to see you on stream. God bless you.